How much it costs to install a home lift in 2022. Welcome to Home Lift. Today we are going to talk about home lift prices in India. As you can see in the photos here, a home lift is installed outside the house. In a new construction, normally you shall have a lift well in civil construction like brick or RCC. Since it is an old house and there is no space inside the house to install home lift. Also, when a home lift is installed outside the house, a lift well is not available. Therefore, a lift well is created using a steel frame structure. Once this steel structure frame is there, it is very easy to install a home lift. This is the best option to install a home lift in an existing house. You can also see that this steel structure frame is covered by an ACP sheet on one side and the other two sides are covered by glass. Now let's talk about prices in India. Prices can vary depending upon NOAH floors, size of home lift, load capacity of home lift, type of doors like manual or auto doors, steel structure height, covering of steel structure by ACP or glass. The standard prices including